If you are at a loss about what to do in such circumstances that iTunes could not connect to this iPhone, just check out the solutions in this complete guide. Part 1 to 17 Quick Solutions to Fix iTunes Could Not Connect to This iPhone. Solution 1. Trust the computer you're using. Solution 2. Restart your computer. If your iPhone has trusted your computer but to no avail, just try to restart your computer. Solution 3. Check the USB cable and ports. If your device doesn't cue you to trust your computer, you need to check your USB cable and ports. Chances are that it isn't up to the job. Here, you can insert another USB cable or use a different port instead on your computer. Solution 4. Make sure your iPhone is turned on. Solution 5. Update iOS. Some users from Apple Forum said that updating iOS to the latest version can solve iTunes not connecting to iPhone issue. Solution 6. Update iTunes. You can also try to use the latest version of iTunes. Solution 7. Ensure your computer has iTunes compatible OS. Solution 8. Check Device Manager. If you got iTunes from the Microsoft Store, you could check Device Manager on your PC. Solution 9. Check the status of the Internet. If you encounter iTunes error 9006, you can check the status of the Internet. Solution 10. Reinstall the Apple mobile device USB driver. Solution 11. Check the date and time. To fulfill this, on your iPhone, run the Settings app, hit General Date and Time. Get more help with the date and time. On your Mac, go to System Preferences, choose Date and Time. If the data and time are wrong, update them. Solution 12. Disable restrictions. Sometimes, this is caused by the restrictions that you applied to your iPhone. You can remove it by going to your iPhone settings, screen time, content, and privacy restrictions, disable restriction. Solution 13. Free up storage on iPhone. Solution 14. Delete the lockdown folder. Solution 15. Restart your iPhone. Solution 16. Connect your iPhone to another computer. Part 2. Use the best iTunes alternative to transfer and manage your iPhone data. Mobikin Assistant for iOS. It's a professional software runs on your computer independently, enabling you to transfer and manage your iOS data or iTunes backups on any PC or Mac flexibly and efficiently.